Guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we are here because we are going to be unboxing my December Stitch Fix box. For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a personal styling service. You pay $20 to have a box styled for you, and then you fill out a style profile to give your measurements and your likes and your dislikes. A stylist is paired with you, and he or she will choose 5 items to put in your box. Those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, accessories, whatever they want to send to you. The box gets shipped to you for free, and then you get to try it on in the comfort of your own home. You decide what you're going to keep and what you're going to send back. And if you keep anything in the box, that $20 styling fee does get applied to anything that you keep. If you keep all 5 items from the box, you get a 25% discount, and you get to apply that $20 styling fee, which is really nice. The only way that you lose that $20 is if you decide not to keep anything inside the box. Stitch Fix is super convenient. You can set it up to have it as a subscription. You can have it sent to you every couple weeks. You can have it monthly, or you can just have it sent to you on demand. It is super convenient and super flexible, so there's really no obligation to keep up with doing it if you don't like it. So we're gonna get into my box to see what I got for this month. When you open the box, you get the directions on what to do next, and it's real easy to check out on the app. Inside the box, you have your prepaid mailer bag. Shipping's free both ways, so you can send back anything that you're not gonna keep, or if you need to make any exchanges, you're gonna use that bag. There's an envelope here, and inside there is my price invoice sheet. And then you also have your style cards and a note from your stylist. And my stylist has been Kara, so I'm gonna read that note real quick. It says, "Hey there, Jennifer. I hope you're enjoying this shorter week due to Thanksgiving. I can't tell you enough how thankful I am to have such an amazing client like you. I get excited every time to style you and see what you love or don't love. Wow, can you believe we've been on this stylish journey for 16 fixes now? I'm so happy that you loved your mix of dressy and casual pieces in the previous fix. You mentioned you were looking for pieces you can wear to school or church, so I think you'll enjoy what I have for you today. I not only reviewed your request and feedback, but your Pinterest board had some animal print. I had to snag the Abby top for you. You'll love the button back and longer length. I know the dress and leggings are higher in price, but they're worth it. These Lysee leggings are amazing and perfect to wear out and about. XX Kara." And here is my style card real quick. And she does a really good job of trying to honor my request, and I really appreciate that. So we're gonna get into this bundle. Here's what it looks like on this side, and that is that side. So the first item looks like a dress, and it is by French Gray. It is a Murphy brush knit dress, and it says it's in dark purple, and it is this dress right here. It has like a 3/4 sleeve with a tab here, like a ruched look. It has a gathering in the waist, and I really think the print, the floral print, is really pretty. I like the burgundy color, and it is super soft, which is good. When I wear a dress like this, I like to put them with leggings, so I think that would be good to wear to church or to school. Next is Pink Clover Abby button back knit top, and that's the top she was mentioning with the animal print. I did have this pinned on my Pinterest board. It's just your basic animal print. Oh, it's got the cute little elbow patches here. Those are cute and really soft. Has a black cuff at the bottom. And then in the back, it has the button back detail that she was talking about. And she said this has a longer length, so I hope so, because I would like to wear that with black dress pants. Next is, let me find the tag. This is by Love Ellie. It is the Mia back detail pullover in burgundy. Ooh, that's cute. I love the color burgundy. It's really soft. It has a nice little cuffed sleeve here, and the cuffing on the bottom. And then it has that cute little back crisscross detail. That's really cute. Next is by Goldray. It is a Khloe Mockneck knit midi dress in gray, it says. I'm not sure how I feel about a midi dress, so we'll have to try that on and see. But this is what it looks like. It's kind of got that heathered, like black, gray, and white look to it. It's got some ribbing going down as a texture. It has like 3 buttons on the cuff, the sleeve. Feels really soft. It has cute little slips right here on the side. Let's see, on both sides, so that's really cute. Like I said, I don't know how I feel about a midi dress. I've never had one, so we'll see. And then last but not least, I had requested a pair of leggings. And these, I think it's by Lysee. It's a Suzee legging in dark gray. And they are super stretchy, which is good. I am 5 foot 10 inches tall, so I have a hard time finding pants. These look like they might be a little bit short, so we'll have to see. But they are just a nice dark gray legging. So next I'm gonna try this stuff on and we'll be right back. All right guys, so we are back with this first top, and this is the Abby button back knit top by Pink Clover. And this is the leopard print that she was talking about. I did have this pinned on my Pinterest. It is just that basic brown and black leopard print. It has the black little cuff here, and it has the cute little brown elbow patches that hit. Here's my elbow. It is a little bit high, but nothing too drastic. So yeah, I think that's really cute. It comes down pretty long, and it's slightly longer in the back, which is good to cover up my bottom. It has those cute little buttons on the back. So yeah, I think this is a really cute top. Tell me what you guys think, and I'll be right back with the next top. All right guys, so I'm back with this second top, and this is the Love Always Mia back detail pullover in burgundy. I love the color, and it's really soft. I like the V-neck on it. It has a cuff sleeve, and it has some cuffing down here on the bottom. I just have it on with a pair of jeans. Yeah, it's really cute. What makes it a little extra special is the little crisscross detail on the back. So I'll turn around so you can see that. I always wear a cami under everything I wear. So if I was gonna wear it to school, I would definitely have to wear it, that black little cami underneath of it. But what do you guys think? I'll be right back with the next item. All right guys, so I'm back with the third item from my box, and it is these leggings. I just left this burgundy pullover on with it. These are the Lysee Suzee legging in dark gray, and they hit about right here, a little bit right above my belly button. They are very stretchy. They are very compressing, which is good. They did come down to the ankle, which is like right there. I do have my socks on right there. So yeah, overall not too bad. The only thing is I kind of feel like they want to slide down a little bit, but that could be because of my cami on underneath this pullover. So, all right, I'll be back with the first dress. All right, so I am back with the first dress, and this is the French gray Murphy brush knit dress, and it says it's in dark purple, but it's really like a burgundy. So here's an up close of the floral print. It's like some cream and some of the burgundy right there. It does have that cinched in little waist, and it has like the roll tab with the ruching of the sleeves right there. It is super soft and comfortable. I did put it on with some black leggings because that's probably how I would wear it, was with black leggings and a pair of black booties. It comes down to right about my knee, a little bit above maybe. Oh my gosh, it is so soft. Yep, just a basic little dress, perfect for church and school. Yeah, I think I like it. What do you guys think? Is it flattering? That's the question. So, all right, I'm gonna be back with that midi dress, and that's the one that's really in question. I'll be right back. All right, I have that second dress on, and this is that midi dress. This is by Goldray, and it is the Khloe Mockneck knit midi dress in gray, and it has like the heathered black, gray, and white look. And it's very form-fitting. It's a little more, I feel like it shows all my, I've got like my cami on underneath here, but I feel like it shows all the negative parts of me. So it comes down below the knee. It does have the slit in the dress. I just feel like I don't mind the top. I just don't like how it hugs my midsection and my hips, because it's more what I would call almost slinky, like more curve hugging. And I'm trying to cover and conceal my negative areas. So I just don't like the way it looks from like here to here. It's just not for me, I don't think so. But you guys tell me what you think. Other than that, I don't mind like the heathering and the mock neck. I don't mind that. I just think it's too, you know, and I did leave those black leggings on that I had, because I don't wear tights or pantyhose. So all right, I'll be right back to do prices and a recap. All right, guys, we are back to do a recap and to talk about prices. So the first thing we're going to talk about was this dress by Goldray. This is a very cute dress. It is good for somebody who is very thin and not like me. I'm a little fluffy in the middle, and I'm trying to hide that. So this is very kind of form-fitting, and if it wasn't for the fact that it kind of clung in the middle, I think I would have liked it better. My husband said it looked good, but I don't like to have to worry about my midsection. This was the Khloe Mockneck knit midi dress, and it was $64. So I don't think I'm gonna be keeping that. Next was the Abby button back knit top in brown by Pink Clover, and it's $44. I love this top. Pink Clover has such soft clothing. It feels so good. And this is something I could easily wear to church, school, or wherever. And I think that's a keeper. The next item was one of the dresses. This was the French Gray Murphy brush knit dress in dark purple. And this dress is so comfortable. It cinches in the middle, but it doesn't cling and hold on to me. So I feel like I could wear that. And the dress is so soft. So I think I'm gonna be keeping it. It's perfect to wear with leggings to school or church. The next item was the Love Always Me, a back detail pullover in burgundy, and that was this one. This one was also so soft, very soft and stretchy. Had that cute little back detail. So yeah, I love like a comfortable soft sweater or pullover, and the cost of it was $44. So this pullover and the animal print top were both the cheapest items in the box at $44. So I think I'm going to be keeping that. And then the last thing were these leggings, the Lysee Suzee legging in dark gray, and I like them. They're stretchy. They're very they suck you in really good. And the only thing that I felt like was I have really long legs. I have a 34-inch inseam, and I felt like they were trying to slide down on me. And I don't think I'm gonna be keeping those, because I'm not gonna be keeping the dress. And you know how the math is, you gotta figure out what the best price is. And usually if I don't keep everything, I end up sending 2 items back. So I'm thinking I'm gonna send that midi dress and those leggings back, but we'll see. So the stylist pick subtotal was $278. If I bought all 5, I would get that discount of 25%, which would take off $69.50, which would leave me with an order subtotal of $208.50. I don't get the $20 styling fee taken off because I have the style pass that I paid for, and which means I get free styling throughout the year. So if you guys can give me some comments, leave me some feedback, and let me know what you think I should keep and what you think I should send back. I'm going to leave my referral link in the description box below. I've been having a $50 referral link, so I'm going to leave that. If not, I'll leave the $25 referral link. I always forget to say this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye guys.